Hey there, once again welcome to Learning Bean. Today I'm gonna share some cool tips and tricks about Windows 10 latest update. You should check it out right now, otherwise you will regret for that. So when you're ready, let's get started.
Young God when I ride up, not too many that can fuck with me.
Tips number 1, get text suggestion. Now you don't have to worry about your misspelled word, just keep typing. Windows will automatically show the text suggestion for misspelled word. Let's check it out. Just keep. You can see in the above, Windows is suggesting your text. You can select from one of those. I hope you'll get help by this video. Tips number 2, record your own screen or stream your gaming. Now you don't need any kind of extra software for record your own screen or stream your videos, stream your gaming. You can do it right now from your desktop. To enable this feature, you have to go to settings, then go to gaming. You can see you can press Windows plus G key to record your screen, or you can modify at any time. You can record your own screen, own voice. You can use webcam and many more features for this. I hope you will be more benefited by this feature. Number 3, use your voice to type any text. Let's enable this feature. You have to press Windows key plus H. Now keep saying whatever you want to search. You can see I used my voice to type texts. By this way you can type bunch of pages of text within a short time. I hope you'll be more benefited from this feature. Tips number 4, you can insert emoji or a smiley anywhere from your keyboard. Here, to enable this feature, you have to press Windows key plus period or dot. You can see I can use any smiley from my keyboard. Okay, it's cool, huh? Number 5, earphone app. Previously I have made a video, you can check it out. Let's take a short look. By using this app, you can copy paste any photo from your desktop to PC. You can see your messages from your desktop, or you can type any messages right from your desktop. I hope you will be more benefited by using this app. Number 6, enable dark mode for your file explorer. Now you can enable dark mode for your desktop. To enable this, you have to go to settings, then get to personalize, then get to colors, and you can choose from one of these, light or dark. I like dark one, and I hope many of you like this dark one. Number 7, get back what you have doing recently. You have to press this icon. You can scroll from them and you can select one of those that you did recently. Okay guys, I hope by this feature you'll be more benefited, and if you liked my video, please share with your friends, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.